So far this weekend has been very pleasant, a good amount of sunshine, comfortable temperatures, and the low humidity as well. Normally this wouldn't be much of a talking point, but we mention this because as advertised for about a couple of days or so, the humidity does come back by next week as soon as Tuesday. So you'll start to notice the stickiness in the air, not overly oppressive, but given it's still kind of early in the warm season, this humidity is going to be noticeable. So I would definitely get out and enjoy the rest of this weekend because it's going to be very nice and very pleasant right now. Temperatures at around 70 degrees. A few 60s along the immediate coastline. 70 degrees with Chuckey and Lewis. 70 degrees with Joe and Bishopville. And 69 degrees with Curtis and Mary in Ocean Pines. Now we're starting to track some of those high thin clouds filtering into the region, kind of adding a bit of a milky tint on the Rudy marine sky cam looking live at Dagsboro. You can see those high thin clouds streaming in from our south and west. And this is actually ahead of the next system that will be bringing us even more clouds going into Sunday and into Monday, and eventually some rainfall, I think particularly possibly Monday night, but especially by Tuesday. I think that's the day where our chance for showers really starts to increase. But tomorrow is still going to be a really nice day. We're just going to probably notice a little bit of a milky tint with more in the way of high and mid-level clouds, filtering in during the afternoon, but still it's going to be a nice day. And warmer too, with temperatures in the 80s for the interior and a lot of 70s on the map as well. But by Monday, that's when we really start to see some changes in terms of the cloud cover. I think we'll see increasing clouds, and by the end of the day, it should end off essentially on a cloudy note. But I do think Monday itself will be dry. But by Tuesday, as that area of low pressure continues to march its way towards our neck of the woods, our rain chances start to increase. There may potentially be some steadier rain Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday, isolated to scattered showers, and to an extent Thursday as well. We'll see maybe a few isolated showers and maybe a rogue thunderstorm as well, particularly by the afternoon. So one of those summer-like patterns where it's humid, and especially by the afternoon, you get those scattered showers and thunderstorms. So the middle of next week looking fairly unsettled. But tonight's going to be nice. We'll drop it to the 50s, kind of cool out there with a mostly clear sky. Not much of a breeze tomorrow, so marine forecast, no issues to report. I think I'll still call it mostly sunny for tomorrow. Lower 80s and upper 70s for those high temperatures. For Mother's Day, if you plan to take mom towards the beach, just know that by the afternoon, a sea breeze will kick in. So I think we will see those temperatures dropping into the 60s along the immediate coastline, while the interior stays nice and toasty in the 80s for those afternoon temperatures. So here's the 7-day forecast. Increasing clouds for Monday, though I think it's going to be dry with some cooler temperatures, 75 degrees. I think the sky becomes cloudy on Tuesday. We'll see an increasing chance for showers, particularly in the afternoon and the evening, I think, with the potential for steady rain by Tuesday night. Wednesday looks mostly cloudy with a chance for some scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms. I think a better potential for more peaks of sunshine by Thursday with widely scattered showers and maybe a possible thunderstorm. Right now, Friday's looking dry with partially sunny skies, still humid though, and warm. Temperatures getting into the mid-80s. And by the time we get to Saturday, we're going to be watching our next chance potentially for some more rain as a system comes near the region, but still very warm with temperatures in the mid-80s for high temperatures.